Cayenne pepper, a fiery red spice made from the dried pods of chili peppers, has been cherished for centuries not only for its culinary use but also for its remarkable medicinal properties. The active ingredient in cayenne pepper, capsaicin, is what gives it its heat, and it's also what makes it so beneficial for health. Unlocking the incredible health benefits of cayenne pepper can transform the way you approach your overall well-being, and many of these benefits might surprise you. In this detailed video, we will explore the 10 miracle health benefits of cayenne pepper, supported by science, and how it can improve various aspects of your health. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 1. Boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Cayenne pepper has gained widespread recognition for its ability to help people shed extra pounds. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper is a natural thermogenic agent, which means it can boost your body's heat production. This process, known as thermogenesis, speeds up metabolism, helping the body burn more calories even at rest. Studies have shown that capsaicin consumption can increase fat oxidation and improve energy expenditure. It also suppresses appetite, making you feel fuller for longer periods, thereby reducing the tendency to overeat. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your daily diet, such as adding it to soups, teas, or smoothies, can help stimulate fat-burning processes and support long-term weight loss efforts. For those struggling with stubborn belly fat, cayenne pepper may be the key to kickstarting fat loss in this area. Number 2. Relieves pain and reduces inflammation. One of cayenne pepper's most fascinating benefits is its ability to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Capsaicin acts as a natural painkiller by temporarily blocking the neurotransmitter substance P, which is responsible for sending pain signals to the brain. When applied topically in the form of creams, gels, or patches, cayenne pepper can help reduce pain associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, lower back pain, and even migraines. Its anti-inflammatory properties also make it beneficial for treating conditions that involve chronic inflammation, such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Regular use of cayenne-based creams has shown improvement in pain relief and reduction of swelling in joints and muscles. Number 3. Improves digestion and promotes gut health. Cayenne pepper is a powerful digestive aid. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and stomach acid, which are crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients efficiently. By promoting digestive fluids, cayenne pepper can help improve the digestive process and alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Additionally, cayenne pepper can help protect the stomach lining from developing ulcers. Research suggests that capsaicin may reduce the risk of ulcers by inhibiting excessive gastric acid secretion and promoting the production of protective mucus in the stomach lining. This makes cayenne pepper a surprising ally for gut health. Number 4. Supports cardiovascular health. Cayenne pepper is a heart-friendly spice with a range of benefits for cardiovascular health. It helps regulate blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce cholesterol levels. Capsaicin improves blood flow by dilating blood vessels, which can reduce the risk of hypertension. Moreover, it promotes the breakdown of fibrin, a protein that contributes to the formation of blood clots, thus lowering the risk of heart attack or stroke. Studies also suggest that regular consumption of cayenne pepper can help reduce levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol while improving levels of HDL, good, cholesterol, contributing to overall heart health. Its ability to prevent clot formation and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries makes it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Number 5. Enhances immune function. Cayenne pepper is rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and vitamin A, which are critical for a strong immune system. Vitamin A, in particular, helps maintain the health of the mucous membranes, which serve as the first line of defense against infections in the respiratory, digestive, and urinary tracts. Cayenne pepper's warming properties also encourage sweating, which can help expel toxins and support the body's natural defense mechanisms. This makes cayenne pepper especially useful during cold and flu season, as it can assist in clearing congestion and alleviating symptoms like cough and sore throat. Number 6. Detoxifies the body. Cayenne pepper is known for its detoxifying properties. Its ability to increase circulation, raise body temperature, and stimulate sweating helps the body expel toxins through the skin and other elimination pathways. Cayenne pepper also supports liver health by boosting its ability to detoxify harmful substances and break down fats. Many detox programs include cayenne pepper in their formulas because of its ability to stimulate the circulatory and digestive systems, enhancing the body's natural detoxification processes. It can also be combined with other ingredients like lemon juice and water to create a potent detox drink that helps flush out toxins from the body. Number 7. Promotes healthy skin. Cayenne pepper can work wonders for your skin. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties help combat skin issues such as acne, psoriasis, and eczema. Capsaicin, the active ingredient in cayenne pepper, inhibits the skin's inflammatory response, reducing redness, swelling, and irritation caused by these skin conditions. When applied topically, cayenne pepper can also improve blood circulation to the skin, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. The antioxidants in cayenne pepper help neutralize free radicals that contribute to premature aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Some skincare products incorporate capsaicin as a key ingredient for its ability to soothe and heal the skin. Number 8. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cayenne pepper can help manage blood sugar levels, making it an excellent addition to the diet for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Research has shown that capsaicin can improve insulin sensitivity, enabling the body to use glucose more effectively and prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of cayenne pepper can help regulate blood sugar by reducing the body's need for insulin and preventing insulin resistance. This can play a significant role in preventing the onset of type 2 diabetes and managing existing conditions. Adding cayenne pepper to meals can also help control appetite and reduce cravings for sugary or high-carbohydrate foods. Number 9. Alleviates respiratory conditions. Cayenne pepper has long been used as a natural remedy for respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and sinus congestion. The heat produced by capsaicin helps loosen and break down mucus in the respiratory tract, allowing for easier breathing and clearing nasal passages. Its decongestant properties make cayenne pepper particularly useful for treating colds, allergies, and sinus infections. When consumed in the form of teas or soups, cayenne pepper can provide relief from a blocked nose, sinus pressure, and chest congestion. It also acts as an expectorant, helping to clear phlegm and prevent respiratory infections from worsening. Number 10. Boosts energy and relieves fatigue. Cayenne pepper is a natural energy booster. It stimulates circulation, improves oxygenation, and increases the body's metabolic rate, which can help combat fatigue and increase overall energy levels. By improving blood flow, cayenne pepper delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your cells, supporting cellular energy production. Additionally, the capsaicin in cayenne pepper triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which can help improve mood and reduce feelings of stress or mental fatigue. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your daily routine, such as adding it to smoothies or meals, can provide a natural boost in energy without the need for caffeine or sugary energy drinks. Conclusion. Cayenne pepper, often regarded as a humble kitchen spice, is truly a multifaceted powerhouse when it comes to health and wellness. With its potent active compound, capsaicin, this fiery red pepper offers benefits that extend far beyond just adding a spicy kick to your meals. Its medicinal properties, some of which have been backed by scientific research and centuries of traditional use, make it one of the most versatile and beneficial natural remedies available. One of the standout benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. By increasing thermogenesis and fat oxidation, cayenne helps the body burn more calories, making it an effective tool in any weight management program. It also helps curb appetite, leading to fewer calorie intakes, and it may target stubborn fat in problem areas like the abdomen. For those looking to naturally enhance their weight loss efforts, cayenne pepper offers a simple, natural, and effective solution. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.